Hi lovelies, welcome back. Let me share with you how I make this delicious moist coffee cake. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce the ingredients to you. Firstly, I have my half cup of butter. You can see half cup of butter, salted butter. So I have my half cup of buttermilk. You can use ordinary milk, but to make it very moist, I use buttermilk. 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/8 spoon of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor, 1 tablespoon coffee. I use Nescafe, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 cup of flour. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this coffee cake. So let's get started. Here I'll be creaming my butter and sugar together. So I'm going to be creaming them both together until it double in size or it look whitish in color. With my hand mixer, it takes me 3 to 5 minutes to mix it. You can actually use your spatula to do this if you don't have a hand mixer. It's now time for me to add in the egg, so I'll crack in the egg one after the other. So I'll mix in the egg very well so that they will incorporate well. So I'm going to use my spatula to mix it very well so that the down, the side, everything will be well mixed before adding in the second egg. So that is the second egg going in. At this juncture, you can choose to drop your mixer and use your spatula. I'm going to use mixer to do all this process. So I'll be adding in the vanilla flavor. Like I said, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor. After mixing everything, I'll scrape and bring them together before we start adding in the dry ingredients. So here I'm going to be sieving in the flour and the baking powder. So I'm not going to add the dry ingredients at once. I divide it into 2. I'll sieve the first one. I'm still going to use my hand mixer here, but I use my spatula first so that the hand mixer will not splash the powdered everywhere, so the flour everywhere, Here my mixer is on low. You don't have to over mix, so I didn't high the speed of the mixer. So I'll add in half of the buttermilk. This homemade buttermilk. I use white vinegar to make it. You can as well use your lemon. How to make your own buttermilk. 1 cup of milk to 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice. So I've added in the last part of the flour and the buttermilk. So I'm going to combine this together. And I'm done using the mixer here. I'm going to be using my spatula because I don't want to over mix this cake. The next thing is to mix my coffee with hot water. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of hot water. I'll mix it to combine before adding it into my batter. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I'm a unique DJ. Here we make tutorial about cake decoration for beginners, snacks, and cooking some delicacy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. I appreciate you all. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique DJ Space. You are welcome to this family. You will enjoy it here. So I'm done mixing and I've lined my pan. So I'm going to be putting it inside my pan. I'm using this bread loaf. You can as well use your baking pan. So and it's ready to go into the oven. I bake for 40 minutes and it is out of the oven. Guys, this cake is so moist. I love it so much. The aroma of the coffee is what I don't know how to explain it to you guys. Just try it out and see it. The aroma is everywhere. Very nice, very soft. You can see it for yourself. So I'll be drizzling some chocolate sauce on top of it. You can as well add your whipped cream on top and enjoy the way you like it. Enjoy with your hot chocolate or your coffee. Thank you all so much for your support. Please do well to check some of my other videos. See you all in my next one. Bye.